Good afternoon from the kitchen, folks. Today I'm going to be making a Christmassy banana, cherry and walnut loaf. So to begin, I've taken a silicone loaf tin, I've lined it with greaseproof paper, I've added a bit of extra margarine on top of the greaseproof paper because I don't want anything to stick. I've also put my oven on at 180 degrees Celsius so it gets nice and hot and I can put this straight in. Next I've got 140 grams of margarine and 140 grams of sugar, and I'm now going to cream these together in a mixing bowl. So in they go. Next, eggs. So I'm just cracking 2 eggs into a glass. I've also weighed out 140 grams of self-raising flour. So I need to begin to bring these ingredients together, and I'm going to do so by adding a little bit of egg to begin with, get that nice and wet, and then a little bit of flour. And then a little bit more egg, and a bit more flour, and the remainder of the flour, and that all now needs combining together. I'm going to add to my mixing bowl now 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. So to get my Christmas flavours into this, I'm going to add a teaspoonful of almond extract and a teaspoonful of cinnamon. So in goes the almond extract. And in goes the cinnamon. And I'm going to stir that in. I've now got 50 grams of walnuts and 50 grams of glacier cherries, and I need to cut these finely. I'll now add the nuts into the bowl. Just give them a stir. I'll now repeat the process with the glacier cherries. And leave me with a lovely sticky chopping board to wash. Mix those in. Let's go bananas. So I'm just going to peel the bananas. You can see that these are getting past their best, but that means that they're just a lot sweeter and a lot softer, which makes them easier to deal with. And did you know that banana skin is completely edible? It's true. So I'm now taking my skinned bananas and I am mashing them. So now I'm going to add my bananas into the mix, and now these need to be stirred in. So in terms of flavours, we've got almond, we've got cinnamon, we've got bananas, we've got glacier cherries, and we've got walnuts. This is going to be a lovely seasonal loaf. Okay, I'm now going to spoon my mixture into my silicone loaf tin. And that now needs to go in the oven for 50 minutes at 180. Ooh. Here goes, folks. Right, time for a cuppa. I'll be back in a bit. Well, there's 15 minutes to go and it's risen and it's not looking too bad from this angle. Okay, it's time. Meet my new baby. So even though it's ready, I've still got to let it stand for another 10 minutes just to cool down a little before I try and remove it. So first of all, I'm pretty happy with how it looks, but let's just see if it's ready. So I'm going to pop this in, and if it comes out clean, it's ready, and if it doesn't come out clean, it's not ready. And that looks clean to me. But yes, I'm very happy with this so far. Okay, the moment of truth. Always scary, this bit. Oh, that's not too bad. Cool time. Right, the moment of truth. Well, what better way to enjoy a slice of cake than with a cup of tea? That is incredible, so sweet, so fruity. The banana really comes through. It's delicious. Next time, folks. See you later. The film that you've just watched is a Moss Home and Garden production. You can find more by going to www.mosshomeandgarden.co.uk. I'd just like to say thank you very much for supporting my YouTube channel and for watching my films. It really is very much appreciated. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to receive future updates about the home and garden films which I upload. You can find my YouTube channel by going to www.mosshomeandgarden.co.uk. Please click on the red subscribe button. When you've done that, a little bell will appear. If you press that also, then you'll get future updates about the films which I upload. If you like my films, if you like my style of filming, then you might also like my travel channel, which you will find by going to youtube.com/Stuart Moss or type in www.mosstravel.tv. Again, if you could subscribe to that channel, it would be hugely appreciated. If you'd like to get Moss Home and Garden updates on Facebook, then please open Facebook and do a search for Moss Home and Garden, and you will find the page. If you like the page, then you will get future updates on there. And if you'd like to connect on Instagram for home, garden and travel photography, as well as some stories, then my username is StuMoss, STUMOSS. If you'd like to connect on Twitter, then my username is @StuartMoss. And if you'd like to contact me about film usage or any other issue, please just email me on stewmosshomegarden@gmail.com. Once again, thank you very much for supporting my channel, for watching my films. I do appreciate it. I'd just like you all to have a great day.